Hey there, my friends, it's Ulysses here, and I'm getting ready to jump out of this market and just move my stops. Right now, as you can see, uh, we did break this counter trend line and retrace a little bit. It didn't retrace completely out of this zone, kept me in that trade, and now we're just kind of moving up and figuring out what we're going to do at this point. I can see right now that this is a zone. As you can see right here, you can see where we have this candle touching, and this here is also, and then we have this one candle here as well, just kind of trying to figure out what it's going to do here. I'm just moving my stops up so that if the trend reverses on me, I'm either breaking even or not really losing, that much at all. As you can see, the candle's trying to figure out what it's going to do. So I'm probably just going to move my stops and let this thing run. For Euro USD, as you can see, the line was broken. I didn't enter this trade only because we have a zone that's very close. What I wanted to do is kind of move up. We'll have some indecision candles, and we'll see if it brings it back down, or there's a chance that price can kind of go through, and then it'll hit this zone up top and recover from this drop right here. All right, so keeping an eye on that still. And for GBP, I didn't enter in only because we were so close to this zone. Right now, it looks like a double top, and I have a trend line that's following. This is on the 5-minute trend line that's following. Looking for this trend line to break, and if it breaks, I may enter and take it down. It may bounce off of this trend line and go back up, or it may move its way all the way down back into this zone. All right, so keeping an eye on this as well. It's about 11 o'clock. I'm going to jump out of the market and take another look around 6 o'clock in the morning. I typically trade from 6 to 11, or 6 to noon, or trade the Asian session, depending on what's going on in the market. So I'm going to jump out now and see how things work out. All right, my friends. So listen, I just wanted to keep you updated. Just keep an eye on these pairs as they move. If you trade the GBP, or if you're studying and you're kind of learning from what you're watching right now, just keep an eye on it, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. All right, my friends. So listen, I wish you all the best. Talk to you again soon.